Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena. I'm live here in New York City at Pier 94. I'm here at the OnePlus 7 launch event for the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. In my hands I have the 7 Pro. I'm going to go into detail about this, some quick first impressions. So the first thing that really stands out for me is of course the price. Starts at $670 for the base 6GB version of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Comes with 128GB of internal storage, and then jumps up to $700 for a model with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. And then there's one with 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage for $750. And I think the pricing is the most amazing part about this smartphone, because for the specs, the design, the features, it's just a compelling package, and it does live up to OnePlus's philosophy of never settling. The phone's beautiful, gorgeous design. It's metal meets glass finish, of course. This one here is the blue version. I definitely like the way how it radiates at different angles. Now, as far as the overall style in the phone, I wouldn't say it's the most original. I've seen something kind of similar from Vivo, from Oppo, and even a little bit hint of some of Samsung's designs and even Huawei. But for the price, again, it's incredibly solid, feels good in the hand. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. They talk a lot about the 98Hz refresh rate. So right now, as it is, it looks just like any other AMOLED display, rich colors, great detail. I'm not complaining about it, especially at a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels. The bezels are really skinny around the display. That's because they put the front-facing camera, it's now a pop-up selfie camera. It's mechanical, and as OnePlus has shown, they say it's quite durable. So we'll see how it handles in the long run. The other thing worth noting about the phone that really stands out to me is the camera in the back. This is a triple camera system, and again, for $670, that is just crazy, because you have your standard lens, you have your wide angle, and you also have your optical telephoto zoom lens. So great package, quite versatile. I checked it out. It's really tough to tell what the quality is like here in this situation, but I'm hoping it could rival some of the other phones in the space, like the Galaxy S10 Plus, like the Huawei P30 Pro. So with this setup here, it's definitely going to be a big contender. Some other things worth mentioning about the phone: it features a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It's running the latest Oxygen OS interface on top of Android 9 Pie. It's really fast. I gotta say, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with the 6GB of RAM, it is super fast. Probably one of the fastest phones I've checked out. It's really snappy, really quick. Another thing that really stands out to me is that. So a lot to like about this smartphone. So when you think about the price point, the triple cameras in the back, the beautiful looking design, that 90Hz refresh rate with the display, and just top-notch specs, the $670 price of the phone is just unbelievable. This is a phone that you're gonna wanna think about if you're in the market. Price point is phenomenal. It's definitely one of the best out there. So take a look at it. If you guys wanna learn more about the OnePlus 7 Pro, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. It's John V, signing off.